Hello, Flower Glamorous family. This is a little glimpse of my backyard. I'm out here today. It's a beautiful day here in Tennessee. The candy tuft and the ferns are coming along. This is a pond that my husband made over 20 years ago. It's a small pond, but we love it. The windmill in the back, he also made that too. Just listen to the sound. It is so soothing. We love to sit on the deck and listen to the sound of the water coming down the waterfall. This vine right here is my husband's grapevine. He takes great joy in this. We also have a climbing rose that is right here. And on the other side, it's a clematis that is coming out and blooming. The azaleas are trying to bloom out. They're getting a few blooms on them. And the hostas are in the pots. They're coming along very well. This Japanese maple we've had over 20 years also. And she comes back every year looking beautiful. Look at these Tennessee woods. They're just beautiful. Today is a beautiful day. Everything is just standing up tall and looking good. As we venture out more in our yard and planting more flowers, I will be taking more videos and you will be coming along with me. Things are just getting started, but I can't wait till they get in full bloom. I love flowers when they're blooming out. They're so peace and tranquil. They make me feel at rest, that everything's all right. I hope you enjoy these sounds and a little footage of what I get to hear every day. For those who are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, to click the bell, and leave a comment. I hope you enjoy this little tidbit of the things I love. And I want to thank you once more and again for coming by. And thank you for supporting me, because you didn't have to do it. And I thank you for taking the time and watching my flowers and my slides and my pictures. I think we have about 4 kois left in the pond. Some died during the winter, but that's all right. They will be replenished. Once again, thank you and have a blessed day.